introduction is before this I was a PhD student at MIT, dropped out around end of 2015 to start this company. I think our focus has always been to enable people to make sense of unstructured data, because so far it's much easier to make sense of data very nicely in table format, right? You have Oracle and all those databases. But a lot of data that is basically just in random formats like your Word and Excel and PowerPoint and images and audios and videos, if you're able to understand all of that, then you can basically get much better understanding of the whole world, right? And that's what has been our focus. So one of the core mission of Instabase has always been is to convert the world's unstructured data into insights immediately. And we have continued to work on different techniques to be able to make progress on this. And as you have seen the breakthrough that came sometime around last year when generative AI actually became possible to really apply in the real sense. We basically brought all of those things to work on your unstructured data. That's kind of like the background for why we spend a lot of time on this. And applications are immense, right? Whether you are in banking or in healthcare or in medicine or in government or in insurance, they all have to make decisions from all the data that they collect, which is in unstructured format, because they are servicing the humans. And if we can allow AI to be able to make sense of it and aid people or help people make better decisions, that will have huge impact in the world.
So your introduction and how are associated with Instabase, and how did the concept arrive? I mean, what was the initial challenge to bring this kind of concept?
So I'm product manager at Instabase, and Instabase has been an intelligent document processing platform since its inception, and it was founded in 2015. And we were doing a great job with all the big banks and insurance clients. And there we had to train the model with thousands and tens of thousands of data samples. Now with the advancement in generative AI, it has become almost like single shot or no shot model. So now it is very much easy for anybody and everybody to create a customized or tailored solution for their own problem. And that is the key, and this will keep on advancing more and more with time.
So your introduction and about your association with this concept.
Yeah, for sure. My name is Abhi and I'm a product manager at Instabase. I've been working on the generative AI product, aihub.instabase.com, and we're very, very excited about it. If you saw the demo, I think you'll be able to see that unlike most machine learning models that we've seen in the past, where you need to train the model on hundreds of samples before you can actually get something out of it, with the case of AI Hub and generative AI in general, you can on day one get insights from your documents, right? So we're very, very excited about that, and excited to work on AI Hub and bring it to everyone to make them more productive.
Talking about your vision for the future and about the competition, what kind of competition you have in the market right now, and what's the vision regarding the?
Yes, I think the competition that you will see, it will come. It won't be like direct competition, but you will see that different parts of the product that we have, and you will see competition. So, for example, like in the language model itself, I mean, OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, these guys will continue to compete. Then you will basically see the second layer, which is all of the companies that already have a lot of data, like Databricks, Snowflake, Oracle, they are going to add some of the LLM layers. So I think that we will see that there will be different forms of competition that will come by different players, but the true value that we see is how you can combine all the information and spread across so many different tools, so many different systems, which is completely unstructured, and can you answer them? And nobody has solved that problem. So I think that we believe that we have this unique edge here, which allows us to completely differentiate against the market and win this.
Thanks,
Thank you so much.